let's go. Hello, horsey. I love horses.
Ah, there you are.
Hello, I'm Joe.
Hello, Joe.
Hello.
I'm here to go horse riding.
First, we have to do some work. We must clean the stable for the horse.
Okay, let's clean the stable for the horse. Hello, horse. Now, let's get to work. Good. Now to work. This is a bit smelly.
That's why we clean it.
Joe!
Horse shampoo.
Good shampoo.
Now, the horse can have her shower.
Water. Oh.
Oh dear.
Oh, I'm wet. I've changed my clothes. Now can we go horse riding?
No, we need a hat to go horse riding.
A hat. Delivery number 3. Wait. Come on.
Let's go. Let's go. No.
The right hat?
No. No, Joe. Oh dear. The
Let's go home, Ozzy.